Hi guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve 503 error on your website. So if you have been trying to log into your WordPress website but you are experiencing this problem, 503 error, that is service unavailable error, it means that the server is temporarily busy and you may want to go ahead and try again later. But if you have been trying to log in again and again but you can't get any solution, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and get assistance through your web hosting company. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is a Minute with AI. Alright, now with this error, you'll realize that even visitors can't visit your website or they can't access your website because they still also get the same error. And also on the other hand, you can't also access this website because of this service unavailable. To solve this, just go to your web hosting company and log into your client area and look for your website. Mine is here. So the best thing to do is to go ahead and contact your support team on your web hosting company to help you solve this. So go under open new ticket and then choose the problem you are experiencing. For my case, this is a technical support problem, and I'll go ahead and choose the subject or write the subject, and then I'll go ahead and choose the related domain, and then the priority is high. So I've just gone ahead and written a small explanation on what I'm experiencing, and I've mentioned the error that I'm experiencing here. So it is good to always be specific so that the support will know what exactly you are facing. Once you are done, now go ahead and send. You can also, if you want, you can attach a file of the screenshot of your website. It will still be okay. Once you're done, go ahead and submit, and now wait for a response from your support team. As you can see, the ticket has been created. So after some time, you'll be able to get a solution. And now once support has solved the problem, you will be able to see your problem gone. When you come to your website, you should be able to log into your WordPress dashboard, as well as if you visit your website, now your website should be up and running without any problem. So that's how you can solve 503 service unavailable error on your WordPress website. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.